This is Lulu. She loves to bake and wants to sell her cakes online, but she doesn't know where to start. There's so many options. She's not a design genius. She doesn't have a payment system. Don't worry, Lulu. We've got you. Introducing Shopping by APIO. You can now create beautiful online store in just 30 seconds with Google Sheet and Gmail. How does it work? Lulu types strawberry cake on Google Sheet. The cake shows on her shopping store right away. Look, Jeff just bought a cake from Lulu. The order shows up on her Google Sheet. With shopping, Lulu can get her store up and running in no time. Manage orders on Google Sheet. Update order status. Make sure she doesn't oversell. And look at everyone's favorite dessert. Lulu now bakes cakes all day long, without worrying about her website or missing an order. Let shopping help you share your passion with the world. Try shopping now. It's free forever.